Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the invisible single crochet decrease. It's a great way to make an invisible decrease where you decrease one stitch. First, skip one stitch and identify the front loop of the next stitch and insert a crochet hook. And the next step is to insert a crochet hook into the skipped stitch. Let me show you one more time. Skip one stitch and insert a crochet hook in the front loop of the next stitch. Then pull the front loop of the next stitch over the crochet hook. I often use my hands to help pull this loop over. You could wonder why I skip one and then insert into the next and then back. It's because I find it hiding the decrease even better. Then yarn over and pull through both loops. And this is how it looks after one invisible single crochet decrease. Let me do one other. Skip one stitch and insert a crochet hook in the next stitch, only the front loop, and then pull the front loop of the skipped stitch over the crochet hook, and you have two loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and go through two. And this is how it looks after two invisible single crochet decreases. And you can see you almost not noticing that you have decreased stitches. I'm going to crochet a few more stitches just so you can see how it looks after continuing as regular, and you can almost not see that you decreased 2 stitches earlier. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial on how to do the invisible single crochet decrease.